Jeffrey Dahmer was one of the most notorious serial killers of the 20th century. He was responsible for the deaths of at least 17 men and boys between 1978 and 1991. His crimes were particularly gruesome, involving dismemberment, cannibalism, and necrophilia. To understand how someone could commit such horrific acts, we need to examine the inner workings of Dahmer's mind. One possible explanation for Dahmer's behavior is that he suffered from a personality disorder. Some experts have suggested that he exhibited symptoms of borderline personality disorder or antisocial personality disorder. These conditions are characterized by impulsivity, emotional instability, and a lack of empathy for others. Dahmer's upbringing may have also contributed to his psychological state. He had a difficult relationship with his parents and struggled with feelings of isolation and loneliness. Dahmer's modus operandi was to lure young men to his apartment under the pretense of offering them money or alcohol. Once there, he would drug them, strangle them, and then dismember their bodies. He would sometimes engage in sexual acts with their corpses or preserve body parts as trophies. The sheer brutality of Dahmer's crimes is shocking, but it's important to remember that he was a human being with complex motivations. One theory is that Dahmer was seeking a sense of control over his life. He felt powerless and inadequate, and killing gave him a sense of power and control over others. He may have also been attempting to fill an emotional void through his relationships with the victims. In interviews, Dahmer expressed a desire for companionship and a fear of abandonment. Ultimately, we may never fully understand what drove Jeffrey Dahmer to commit such heinous crimes. But by examining his motives and methods, we can gain insight into the psychology of serial killers and the complex factors that contribute to their behavior. It is important to study cases like Dahmer's not only to prevent future tragedies but also to gain a deeper understanding of the human psyche.